Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969, coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. We're on Deck 6, inside the Casino Royale. Check it out. Like I said, we're in port, we're docked. And so this way we can video inside the casino. Normally, they don't allow video inside the casino, but because the casino is closed, we can do so. Yeah. All right. The lovely lady. There she is. Watching over all the table games. There's no games going on right now, though. So I'm not sure what she's watching. Maybe she's watching us. All right. Hello, good. How are you doing?
Hello.
Up ahead here is a pit stop. It's like a sports themed bar. We got the late Dale here watching over the pit stop. Up ahead is the theater. It's closed right now. Can't go in there right at this moment. The forward elevators.
I want a bath.
And here we are up on Deck 5. On Deck 5 we'll find the main dining room. Let's take a look inside. And the main dining room is also down there on Deck 4. It's a beautiful, elegant dining room. Up here on the right is Next Cruise, where you can book, of course, your next cruise. Café Latitudes, get your coffee on. Hello! And the Shops of Centrum. We're in port right now, so the shops are closed, but you can check them out. Shops of Centrum. Got jewelry stores, got like a general store, like a Chronomaker store. If you need more logo gear, that's it over there. If you need more alcohol, they got you covered. And of course, jewelry. Up ahead is the photo gallery. Ship photographers are always willing to take pictures of you. And of course, sell them to you. Let's take a detour and head outside again. Look at this awesome scenery. We're on the starboard side of Deck 5, headed forwards. What's out here, you say? Let me show you. Alright, down the corridor and up these stairs. The Helipad. Sorry for the wind noise, a little breezy up here. Absolutely stunning. See off in the distance there on the horizon, that's a giant iceberg. I swear that iceberg's bigger than the Titanic. It's huge. Alright, down the stairs back to Deck 5. Ooh, it's like a wind tunnel. Oh, check this out. In case your pooch has to go. And there it is. There it is. More of Greenland. There's that giant iceberg out there. Played a movie inside the cinema, or not cinema, sorry, the theater, the Choral Theater, singing in the rain. Here we are back at the Shops of Centrum. Just thought I'd show you the other side. And here we are back in the Centrum. From down there, all the way up there. And check this out. They have an actual cinema on board. There's a movie playing right now, so we're not going to go in there. But here's where it is. Right here. We'll go back through the casino to get more towards the aft of the ship. Yeah, all these lonely games. No one here to play them. How can they cope? There's no money going through them. Alright. So, up ahead is the Centrum. The Centrum is an area that goes from deck 4 all the way up to like deck 11. Let's check out this view. We're down there, all the way up there. Got vintages over here. Up ahead is the legendary Schooner Bar. Got a couple of the specialty restaurants here on to the right. So with Chops Grill. And up here we have Giovanni's Table. At the rear of the ship, the aft is the Safari Club. Safari Club has these gyro-stabilized pool tables. Really cool. Your billiards game will be uninterrupted, even in rough seas. And here we are inside the Safari Club. There's like a stage area where they do events. A piano that I've never seen played. And naturally, a bar. Yeah. Safari Club. And of course, this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969, on Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. Hopefully you appreciated this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I get to see you on board soon.